Dear students, in this video I explain the fourth characteristic property of gases. All gases don't have a definite shape. Okay, see this image. Air can be used to fill a balloon. Air can be used to fill a football. And gas can be stored in a cylinder. Okay. When the air is filled in the balloon, the air takes the shape of balloon. When the air is filled in a football, the air is taking the shape of football. A gas, when stored in a cylinder, the gas takes the shape of the cylinder. So we can say gases don't have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the fifth characteristic property of gases. Gases can be compressed to a great extent using this example. And for all the class 6 chemistry IIT JEE foundation videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.